What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Doughty Kamakawa, and we are here at Home and Farm with Doughty, where we bring you just what you are looking for: homesteading content and homemaking. Guys, we are doing the big reveal. We are starting out on a big project that we have been wanting to do. We want to go full-blown commercial. We want to try and expand what we have been doing. So we are just creating more space. We are building more chicken coop. We are building a bigger space for our poultry, and we want to see just how else can we do this. Okay, so this video is just about that. We will be showing you every step of the way. First and foremost, we want to start off with securing the place, because you know the place is my former garden, and I want to transform it and use it for poultry. So I want just to start off by facing the place, just to make sure that it is secure, because in our previous video we have learned that security is very key if you want to succeed in this poultry business. So we are starting off, and today is day one. We are hitting the ground, guys, in this big project. What are you waiting for? If this is your first time on my channel, consider to subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment, and continue to engage with me, and I will appreciate. So let me show you what we are up to, and I hope you like it. Karibu to our vlog, guys. Mwah. I have always been dreaming about this. I thought to myself, when will this happen? And today, God has done it. So today, guys, we are beginning our project, although small, but we feel that this project is long overdue. We have always wanted to expand our poultry farming, and we got a chance. So today we are starting off our mega project of setting up a new poultry farm, or just expanding our poultry farm. So this garden here, we have been using it for farming, and today we want to transform it and secure it just for poultry farming. As you can see there, today we are starting off with digging the foundation, and then we will do the walling. Guys, God is faithful. So I'm going to show you just how a step of faith is going to give us results. Guys, do not fear. Like I always told you, you can do it. Even if you're in the city, you can do it. All you need is just baby steps towards your target and towards your objective. So we are starting off day one. We are digging the foundation, and we have contracted some local casual laborers to help us. And then after digging the foundation, by the way, this place has a very bad erosive background. The soil is very loose. When there is water, it is the type of soil that just harbors water. So it has been very challenging even in the farming, but today we believe what we have been going through is enough to help us now concretize this place and make use of it. So they have put the columns, and we have done some blinding on the trenches, and then we will do the walling just before. I don't know if they call it the substructure before we come up and put the beam down there and start the walling up. Guys, God is faithful. Let us see how this goes, how it unfolds.
Pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed.
For the blinding, we needed some cement and some sand, and as you can see, there are very many people participating in carrying the mortar to the designated areas for purposes of blinding. For this project, we needed about 30 bags of cement and one lorry of kokoto and one lorry of sand and some timber, as you can see there. So that is the material we are using, and we hope it will be enough for just this phase of the project. Let me take you out here. You can see what is going on. So today we are on with the walling on some sections that had already dried the previous day. So I will be showing you what work is going on here. We have laborers. These are masons, experienced masons who are doing the work for us. We want the wall to come out nice. We don't want anything crooked. So we contracted about 6 masons to help us with the walling. Okay, you don't just take anyone. There are masons and then there are those ones, watu wa mkono, those who help them. And that is what you're going to see here now. This is day 2 of our work. We have these casual laborers who are paid about 600 per day for the kind of mixing because you don't have a mixer. And we love to give employment to the locals here. We just use local labor. Personally, I have engaged these people more than once in previous projects. We also gender sensitive. As you can see, there's a lady over there. And the work is moving well. We are grateful to God. So after we fence here, we shall be able to have a secure area to come up with a proper and a bigger chicken coop, which we can design and fashion with you people, and we learn from it. I am really hoping to see how this comes out.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling.
As you can see, the walling is now going up. I think at that level we will do the beam and then we proceed with the walling. The work has progressed on so well, and I can't wait to update you on the progress of the whole project. Hopefully we will achieve what we are looking at by the end of this project. As the work continues, we can only admire from a glance of what will become our new and our magnificent poultry farm. As we bask in the wait, I hope you will continue to subscribe and keep it here. This is our old small chicken coop, and I'm sure this story is about to change because we will have more chicken in future. Some are still incubating, so we will need more space. As you will see, that big garden is enough. From where I sit, it is going to be more than enough for me to do my commercial farming and also to, build my business and do something. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for always coming back to support my content. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
know we